How to share your profile on eBay to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your profile on eBay to Facebook Messenger directly fast. First thing, go to eBay, and now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on those three dots. Click on your profile picture. Now this is my profile, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to share your profile to Facebook Messenger is by clicking in the top corner right here on those three dots. Click on them like this and choose the share option, and now swipe right until you find Facebook Messenger icon and click on it, and it will be shared easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.